Last month, I told you about my skin situation, how steroids had affected it and caused puffiness, mooning of the face, and a lot of acne. And I told you at the time that I would be doing a back to basics skincare routine using products from the Pixi Glow collection, and I would be doing an update a month later. So it's time now for the update, and I will be showing you my skin situation right now without makeup in a second. But before that, what is the Glow collection? It is a range of products that were inspired by the iconic Glow Tonic. So as you can see, I am a Glow Tonic aficionado. This is my 7th bottle, I think. So much left. And in addition to the Glow Tonic, I've scaled back. I've had to stop using tretinoin. I've had to stop a lot of things because of allergies. Everything was breaking me out. I'm allergic to wheat and it is everywhere. So accidental exposure meant that I had to get a lot of steroid shots and epinephrine as well. So the steroids gave me massive cystic acne, particularly along the jawline, and also caused puffiness and mooning. So first, this is what my skin was before commencing this routine. So I haven't applied foundation yet except on the forehead because I wanted to show you the situation right now. There's cystic acne here. You can probably see that. There's hyperpigmentation and cystic acne here. The cyst actually extends from here to here and it's quite painful to chew. There is a cyst coming up here and one on its way out here. One is coming here. It's actually a closed comedon right now, but it will develop into a lot because there's that pain beneath that lump. This is another one that is definitely coming out. Yeah, that's painful. So that is the situation right now. So as you can see, there's a lot of acne there. There's puffiness, massive puffiness, and my whole skin looks a bit, iffy, problematic, clogged, congested, not happy, dull. And this is right now before wearing makeup. So this is the situation at the moment. There are 3 cysts right now. One here, one over here, and one on its way out here. As a matter of fact, I showed you these 3 last time. All these have cleared up. This one's completely gone, just a bit of hyperpigmentation left. This one's gone. So, lots of cysts have gone. There are these 3 obviously, and that is because I've just had another bout of steroids. I mean, the steroid dosage hasn't stopped at all. My last dose came last Tuesday. So this is the situation. And I think, my face has really cleared up. No foundation at the moment. Concealer, under eye area, eyeshadows done. That's it. My skin is definitely in a happier place. It's brighter. It's no longer that dull. But 3 cysts, even now, 3 cysts along the jawline that haven't gone away from my previous update, and that is purely because of the steroids. And as long as that happens, massive cysts which won't go away. At least there are only 3 now, and they're only in this area, and this one is on its way out. These 2 are not, they haven't moved. I really don't want to take isotretinoin or antibiotics or anything of the sort. I really hope they go away. But on the bright side, this area is all clear now. And, my skin looks happier, in a better place, not as dull. And the credit goes to the Pixi Glow collection because I haven't done anything else. Confession, they are a PR sample, but my opinions are my own. And this is not a PR sample. I've been on the Glow Tonic since 2016. It was my first ever skincare product. So the Glow collection, the first product in my routine is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. And it costs £18 for 135 ml of product. All products in the Glow collection contain glycolic acid, aloe vera and ginseng. And this is very gentle as a cleanser for me. My skin is used to strong acids and tretinoin, 0.04% tretinoin, but I haven't been using tretinoin since mid-April because, once the steroid exposure and allergies grew severe, I had to stop everything. My derm said. My derm has approved of these products and sort of agreed that I should be using these. So the glycolic is obviously meant to exfoliate, and the aloe vera and ginseng are meant to soothe and improve circulation. This is a very gentle cleanser. I use it in the mornings as an AM cleanser and as a second cleanse in the evenings if I have worn makeup. If not, I use this as a first cleanse in the evenings as well. About so much left. after a whole month of use. This reminds me a lot of CosRx Good Morning Low pH Cleanser with even less lather. There's no lather whatsoever, no sulfates in here. CosRx Good Morning Low pH Cleanser contains cocoamidopropyl betaine, or however you pronounce that thing. Sorry, I suck at chemistry. This one does not contain that surfactant either, so there's less lather. So will I repurchase this? Absolutely will. This will be my second cleanser for a long time ahead. The second product in this collection is one that I did not open. So why is she reviewing it, you ask? It is a Pixi Glow Tonic. This is 100 mils. And this happens to be the full size 250 mils. And I'm using this. So why would I open this? So this one is £18 full size and £10 for the 100 ml bottle. I will be linking up where you can buy these worldwide, including international deliveries, so you don't have to worry about that. The third product in this collection is possibly my favorite. It is a Glow Tonic Serum, and there's very little left. I'll just show you what it's like. I'm not going to swatch it on my skin because I don't want to waste even the tiniest bit. It's a very, very stunning product, and I credit this one with improving the texture of my skin, the overall look, the overall, tone of my skin. It is no longer dull, and I credit this one with it. Now, recently, Caroline Hyron's skincare guru and my personal skincare guru as well, because, it's because of her that I started using Glow Tonic, and it got me started on a journey of skincare. So she recently did a video on this collection where she actually spoke to Amanda Bell of Pixi Beauty. I will link that in the description box below for you. So Amanda told Caroline that you didn't need every product from this collection at the same time. You didn't need to use that many. But for me, I find that has actually worked. And as I said, my skin is used to strong acids. The other thing is, because I have been grappling with such massive cystic acne, steroid-induced acne, there's no fighting with that one. Because of that, I needed this, I feel. I needed that much, ammo to do battle with the acne. And that's what's worked for me. The other thing is, because everything contains ginseng and aloe vera and horse chestnut and other soothing ingredients, they're not too harsh. At least not on me. So Glow Tonic Serum, I've got very little left, and I will be repurchasing this one for absolute sure. It is £26 for 30 mils, 1 ounce. And this is 100% oil-free. No oil anywhere in the ingredients, which is what my dermatologist liked the most about this, because she said, right now, when you're already having clogged pores and steroid-induced acne, you really don't want to add more oil to your face. So go completely oil-free, she said. And this is a fully oil-free serum. I've been using it only in the evenings. Have I used it above Glow Tonic? Yes, I have. Confession, I've used it above Glow Tonic. My face hasn't fallen off. It's actually improved. The hyperpigmentation fades faster with it. So yeah, I will be continuing to use it. The next product is the Phenomenal Gel, which is £24 for 50 mils. That's so much left. So this has been my moisturizer on top of the Glow Serum. And in the PM. In the AM, I haven't used it. What I've done is use Glow Tonic, Omerovitz Thermal Queen of Hungary Mist, sunscreen, and that's it really, because my skin is in appalling condition and I really don't want to use glycolic in the AM apart from Glow Tonic, which is too mild anyway. So this is pH balancing and moisturizing, and I think it's done what it says. It's been a gentle hydrator. I don't want heavy moisturizing right now. I already have lots of sebum, lots of acne. I don't want to add more, heavy products, creams, lotions. My face does not need any more hydration right now apart from this product. 100% oil-free if you are looking for an oil-free moisturizer that provides very mild, gentle exfoliation. Just, sort of keeps your cells, the top layer of your skin, on its toes, as it were, without, peeling or anything. Not a strong exfoliant. They're not like Alpha Rich Liquid Gold, which is a lot stronger. This one, mild, keeps your cells on their toes. At the same time provides hydration, soothing. Lastly, we come to the product that I don't like in the set. I know, there is something that I dislike. It is the On The Glow Moisture Stick. I've retained the external packaging because I didn't like it after the second use. And first of all, it contains hydrogenated castor oil, and I didn't want that to go near my face. Secondly, This is how you apply it. And that is not hygienic. See, I already have acne on my face. And if I'm going to rub this once, and then twice, and then again on clear skin, is my skin ever going to clear up? Is that not unhygienic? What do you do? How do you sanitize this? That is one question. Secondly, as I said, it contains oil. Thirdly, it is called On The Glow moisture stick, and again it contains glycolic, which is great, and ginseng and aloe vera. So you're supposed to stuff this into your handbag or purse and moisturize on the go. If you're applying makeup, that becomes a problem. You will be moisturizing above makeup, and then the makeup is going to come off on this thing. Again, hygiene issues. Also, will not a little tube containing a gel also be easy enough to stick in your handbag and apply on the go? And be more hygienic? Alright, you can't travel with liquids. Fine, this is not a liquid. But a little 5 ml tube of gel, a cream, 5 ml tube of a cream, that could work. That could work. Or a little jar with a pump, that could work as well. So I don't like how this is presented, how this is supposed to work. You're going to have to apply this on and on. The product is going to come in repeated contact with your skin, and that is not hygienic. Surely a 5 ml tube with a gel or cream inside would have been far more hygienic, equally portable, equally convenient, equally easy to carry around and reapply. So, not a fan of the On The Glow moisture stick. Sorry, there it is. The other products in this I absolutely love, particularly the Glow Serum. I feel that it's made the most difference to my skin. I mean, the cleanser, this or Cosrx Good Morning Low pH cleanser, either will do. If you like less lather, go for this. If you like a bit more lather, go for the Cosrx. Excuse me, there's something in my throat. Anyway, so this is great. I absolutely love this cleanser. But, there are dupes out there. The Glow Serum, I haven't seen dupes for that. I absolutely adore it. Because, usually when you have glycolic serums, the Inkey List has a glycolic serum. I've talked about there or in the description box below. Excuse me. I need to go get a drink. I'll be right back. Right, sorry about that. I have no idea what happened except that, I started coughing eventually. I couldn't stop. So right now I have a fisherman's friend lozenge in my mouth, and that could affect the way I speak. Anyway, so as I was telling you, the Glow Tonic Serum is a product where, I haven't seen something like this before. I mean, there are glycolic serums out there. Alpha Rage has glycolic serum. Inkey List has a glycolic serum, but they're all stronger, They're all harsher treatments. This one, because of the ginseng and the aloe vera, it's very soothing and gentle, and it's not harsh at all. So you can apply it even above an acid without any problems. The others, you need to really, really buffer them with, hydrating products, with soothing products. Otherwise, they're going to be too harsh. I wouldn't apply the Alpha Rage glycolic serum or the liquid gold serum, that is, or the Inkey List glycolic serum, which are the two that I've tried, on top of an acid product or an acid toner, no matter how gentle, not even on top of Pixi Glow Tonic. I would be using a hydrating toner such as, Thayer's, or even, or Hada Labo, or the Omorovitz, a Queen of Hungary Mist, and then sandwich it with layers and layers of moisture. The other thing is, a lot of these glycolic serums contain oils, one way or the other, hydrogenated castor oil at least. So this one, no oil. So this one is my favorite product in this set. The Glow Tonic obviously is a cult favorite product. I'm not going to talk more about this. I will be linking all previous Glow Tonic posts that I've done in the description box below. You can also see the latest one here. This one, I'm not a fan. The stick, it's not hygienic. It doesn't appeal to me. I didn't see the point, So those are my honest thoughts on the Pixi Glow collection. And that is my before and after, the results of using these products for at least 4 weeks. I think there are definitely good results with these, and I will be continuing to use them, particularly the serum, the phenomenal gel, and the cleanser, and the Glow Tonic obviously, but not the moisture stick. What is your back to basic skincare routine? What has worked for you against acne? I would love to know. Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.